Or I don't know how to post this. What's it called without looking weird? Not weird. Just what's it called? You don't come across this every day. I was in a thrift shop, right? And then I come across this. Look, they were all there. Got this at a thrift shop too. Check this design. This design fly. I don't know what's what. The kicker, bro. Check how much I paid for this bitch. Funny, no? I did 54 cents, dog. I got that all for 54 cents while I was going scrapping around when I was homeless.